Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is the third video in the IELTS series, and in this video, I'm going to discuss all the four sections of IELTS exam. As you know, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. This is designed by Cambridge University and it is conducted all over the world by two organizations. One is IDP and the other is British Council. In India, IDP is conducting IELTS exam. Now, this IELTS exam has got four sections: writing, listening, reading, and speaking. The three skills, that is writing, reading, and listening, are conducted at a stretch on a particular day. The speaking test is conducted either on the same day or before 7 days or after 7 days of the IELTS test which you have written. There are two types of IELTS: academic IELTS and general IELTS. The candidates who are going abroad to study, they have to write academic IELTS. The candidates who are going abroad to work or immigrate, they have to write general IELTS. Anyway, both the types have four sections. Everything is same except for one section in which there is a difference, which I'll be discussing in a while. Let's now discuss the four sections in detail. For writing, the time allotted is 60 minutes, listening 30 minutes, plus 10 minutes for transferring answers, reading 60 minutes, speaking 11 to 14 minutes. Writing, listening, and reading skills are tested at a stretch on the same day. So total time would be 2 hours 40 minutes. Now let's discuss section wise. Writing. The writing section consists of two tasks in both academic as well as general IELTS, but there is a difference which I'll discuss in a while. There will be two tasks. Now I'm discussing about the task 1, which is asked for academic IELTS students. Candidates will be presented with graph, table, chart or diagram, and they will be asked to describe, summarize or explain the information in their own words. They can also be asked to describe a process based on a flow chart. For the candidates who are appearing for general IELTS, there is a difference. In this section, candidates will be presented with a situation and asked to write a letter requesting information or explaining a situation. The letter may be personal, semi-formal, or formal in style. Task 2, academic. Candidates would be asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or problem in formal academic style. Argument should be supported by relevant examples. General. The task will be the same. There is no difference. So in the writing section, only task 1 is different for academic students and general students. Let's move on to the listening section. In this section, the candidates will listen to 4 different audio pieces with increased difficulty level. The first audio will be easy and the fourth will be comparatively difficult. This has 40 questions, 1 mark each. Time is 30 minutes plus 10 minutes. This has 4 subsections. First audio will feature a dialogue between 2 people taking place in a social setting. Second audio will have a monologue. The third is a conversation of up to 4 people in an academic atmosphere. Fourth, this has a monologue on an intellectual subject such as an academic lecture. Point to be noted here is the audio will be played only once. The candidates can take notes while listening. 10 minutes will be given to transfer your answers to paper. The type of questions which are given in this section are multiple choice questions, matching, map or diagram labeling, filling form, flowchart, summary completion or sentence completion. Now, poor spelling and grammar mistakes are penalized. Moving on to the next section, that is reading. IELTS reading section has 40 questions and the time allotted is 60 minutes. There will be three passages in this section for reading comprehension. The candidate has to read the passages and answer the questions. The type of questions asked will be matching headings, true or false or not given, matching paragraph information questions, summary completion questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions, list selection, choosing a title, matching sentence endings, classification questions, table completion, flowchart completion, diagram completion questions, short answer type questions. So these are the different type of questions which can be asked in the reading section. The candidate has to read the passage carefully and answer these questions. Moving on to the speaking part, which is going to be conducted on a separate day. This assesses candidates' use of English and takes 11 to 14 minutes. The entire speaking test is recorded by the examiner. This section has three parts. The examiner will ask general questions about you, your family, work, studies, and your interests. In the second section, candidates will be given a card with a topic. They will have to speak for 2 minutes. 1 minute time will be given to prepare before speaking. Third, the test takers will be asked some questions based on the topic given to them in the second part. Remember, you cannot impress the examiners using hard to understand vocabulary. What they are looking for is your fluency and clarity, and how well you are able to communicate your thoughts in a simple way so that the person listening to you understand easily. This is the pattern of IELTS exam. This is not difficult but requires a lot of practice. That's it for the video today. In the next video, I'll show you how to book IELTS exam online. You can do this sitting at home. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.